Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I install this wig from SOKU Hair on AliExpress, and this video is kindly sponsored by them. So this wig is so beautiful. This is like the perfect ready burgundy colour. As you can see, it has an L part parting, so it's not a full lace wig, but it's definitely something that you can work with and make it look natural. So all I'm doing first is just applying some Sally Hansen airbrush leg tint foundation thing. I always use this to tint my wig cap, so I just apply that all over the wig cap, mainly just the front area. And yeah, make sure it matches my skin colour. So like I said, this is an L part wig, so it does have a side parting, but if you did want it to be a middle parting, you could always just twist it round and just turn it a little bit. I didn't show you that in a video because I always do middle partings, so I thought I'd try a side parting for once. So this wig is 30 inches, it's so long, and it comes with these really nice curls, and I just can't get over the colour because I think this is amazing. So I just brushed through the hair and clipped it back. Then I went on to plucking, and because the parting space is really small because of the L part, you can't really do much plucking, but I tried my best and tried to make it look as natural as possible. So then I just took the Got To Be Free spray and just sprayed this around the perimeter of my head. Let me tell you something. I don't know what I was singing, but then I just used the blow dryer on the cool setting and just blowed around that, and then applied my second layer of the free spray. So then I just brought the lace forward, and this wig, the shape of it just matched my head perfectly. I didn't really have to do much in terms of plucking, as you saw before, and it just fit around my ears well as well. So I just kind of brought the wig forward and laid it flat. And I never really usually cut the lace after I stuck it down, but I thought I'd try something different in this video. And yeah, I just brought the sideburns down and then glued it a little bit more. Then I just cut the lace, and I think I prefer this method of cutting the lace afterwards. It just makes more sense to me, and it helped the lace to lay flat. So always make sure to go in a raggedy sort of pattern, never go in straight lines when you're cutting the lace. It just helps it to look more natural. Then I just took a wipe and I just wiped away any excess glue because you don't want it to look crusty. And then I just worked on my baby hair. So I didn't want a full baby hair look. I wanted it to look quite natural as this wig could look. So I only took out tiny bits of baby hairs and then just plucked it and then cut it. I see you coming over, thinking you move, I'm So for the sideburn sort of bit, this is probably the bit that I pluck the most hairs. You just want to pull out loads of hairs and make it look as thin as possible, because our natural sideburns are never really full. So I just pull loads of hairs and then I cut it. And then I used the gummy wax in Ultra Hold and just did my edges. So I didn't record me putting a headscarf on, but I just put my favourite headscarf and then just tried to sort out the rest of the hair. So it was super long and it did have layers, but I still wanted it to be a lot more layered just so it frames my face better. So I just did a few cuts here and there, and to be honest it didn't really make much difference, but I tried. So then I just straightened the parting space because it did look quite bumpy. I feel like the hair there was so thick and I couldn't really brush through it, so I tried to straighten it just to flatten it. If you do have a hot comb, then that would probably be better. Just be cautious of the heat you're putting it on. As you can see, it does get a little bit more shiny when I apply heat, and sometimes you just need to lower the settings. And yeah, so I just did that and then brushed through the hair again. So this is how long the hair is after I cut it a little bit too. So it just goes down all the way to my hips, which is super long, but I do really like long wigs. Then I just applied some mousse to the parting space just to flatten everything a little bit more.
Taking this girl next door when her parents went out. She phone say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knock at the door, you're standing with a bottle of red wine, ready to pour. Just in a long black satin, lace to the floor. So I went in, then we sat down, started kissing, caressing. Told me about the jacuzzi, sounded interesting. So we jumped right in. Of course, diverted to answer phone. Please leave a message.
So then I just took some concealer that matches my skin colour and just placed this in the parting and also where the edges were. Because I didn't pluck too much, I feel like concealer just helps to make it look a lot more natural and just make everything blend together nicely. So that is it for this video. Make sure to check out SOKU Hair on AliExpress. They do such amazing high quality wigs and I'm really happy with how this turns out. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.